Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you will be fine and will be waiting for the new chapter. We are going to begin our new lesson, uh, climatic regions of the world and factors affecting climate. The first chapter of final term of social studies syllabus, and the second topic of climatic regions of the world. In previous session, we have done about the four major climatic regions of the world. That is, the world is divided into the regions according to the climate they experience, and they were polar region, arid region, temperate, and tropical region. Now we will discuss in this session about the factors that affect the climate of an area. An area's climate is affected by three main factors, that is latitude. Latitude means distance north or south of equator. As we have done in lesson 1, the location of different climatic zones between the latitude, and all of you are well aware about the distance of latitudes from the equator. If the area or the zone or the climatic region is located on the latitude which is near to the equator, it will have a very hot climate, and the region which is far from the equator, located on the latitude which is very far from the equator, then it will have cold climate. So latitude affects the climate of an area. Next factor is height above sea level. So higher we go up in the mountains, lower will be the temperature. So next is distance from sea. So those areas which are away from the sea will have hot summers, and those areas which are near the sea will have moderate climate. So we will discuss these three factors in detail. Latitude. Places closer to the equator are hotter and more humid and receive more rainfall. What is meant by humid? Humid is the air full of water vapors, because the water vapors, why the water vapors are more in the air? Because the evaporation of water from the coastal areas or the oceans or seas on the equator will water will be evaporate at a higher rate from the coastal areas which are located on the equator, because of the strong sunshine falling throughout the air on the equator. So latitudes which are on the equator or closer to the equator will have humid air and receive more rainfall because of more evaporation of water from seas and oceans, as sunshine is directly falling on the latitudes closer to the equator. Height above the sea level. Places above sea level are closer than places on or near the sea level. This is places located above the sea level. So Pakistan's people often travel to Murree, Sawat and other hill stations to escape the scorching summer heat, because these places are located in higher mountains where the temperature is lower. For example, if we take the example of our northern areas of Pakistan, in which we have peaks of mountains where the climate is very cold and temperature goes below the freezing point. Next topic is distance from sea. Coastal areas are generally cooler than land-bounded areas, as the temperature of oceans remains same throughout the year. What are the coastal areas? All of you are well aware of the coastal areas, the areas which have the ocean or seas, and the land bounded areas are those areas where there is no sea or ocean. For example, Karachi is located on the coastline of Arabian Sea, so it is the coastal area. But as we go to Lahore, it doesn't have any sea or ocean, so Lahore is the example of land bounded area. So the temperature of oceans remains same throughout the year. So the coastal areas generally cooler than the land bounded areas. 4 major climatic zones we have done in the previous lessons. Again, you can read this. Polar, the coldest region of the world, temperate, tropical, and arid or the desert areas. There is a task for you to do. You have to do these questions in your copy, and how the temperature of 4 climatic zones are determined. You can take help for writing the answers from your textbook. All of you must read the textbook thoroughly to get the concept more. And next question is, what are the 3 main factors that affect the climate? So you can write these 3 factors from the slide or from the book. So please read the topic thoroughly from your textbook. It's on page 30 of your textbook. So this was the session for today. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.